In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the chart you want, access the drawing tools, and place a clean, accurate line on your chart for analyzing trends, support, or resistance. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. This is the home base for charts and tools. If you land on a general homepage, that's fine. What matters is getting to a chart workspace. You'll see the platform interface load with panels and a preview chart. Look to the right side of the screen for the watch list panel. This is where symbols live, things like stocks, forex pairs, crypto, or indexes. Click the symbol you want to analyze. Choosing a symbol here tells TradingView which market chart to load so you can work on the right instrument from the start. Next, open the full chart view. You'll see an option labeled Full Chart. Click it to expand into the complete charting workspace. This gives you all the tools, timeframes, and drawing options, plus plenty of screen space to work precisely. Now focus on the drawing tools. On the left-hand side, find the toolbar and click the Trendline Tools icon. It looks like a diagonal line. This opens a small menu with line-related tools. These are the tools you'll use to create clean, straight lines that anchor to price points on the chart. From that menu, select a line tool. Trendline is the standard choice for most setups. One click selects it, and your cursor becomes ready to place anchors on the chart. If you change your mind, you can always reopen the same menu and pick a different line style, but Trendline is perfect for most cases. To draw the line, click once where you want the line to start, often at a swing high or swing low, then move your cursor to the second anchor point and click again to finish. You'll see the line snap into place. If the angle isn't quite right, drag either endpoint to fine-tune it. For cleaner angles, you can hold a modifier key to snap to neat increments, depending on your system. If you want to adjust the appearance, double-click the line to open settings or use the small toolbar that appears, where you can change color, thickness, or visibility across timeframes. Made a mistake? Use undo or select the line and delete it. That's all you need to draw a line in TradingView. Open the chart, pick your symbol, enter full chart, choose the Trendline tool, select the line, and place it precisely where you need it.